Dubrovnik in Croatia is one of the world's most magnificent walled cities, overlooking the calm blue Adriatic. We visited Dubrovnik in 2017 October, and it has been one of our most memorable trips. Here is our travel vlog. We are approaching towards Dubrovnik city. Arjun.
Hello.
After 300 meters.
This is the view from our hotel room. As you can see, it is a majestic view of the Adriatic Sea. It's amazing. It's reached Dubrovnik.
Ooh. Hello.
Dubrovnik.
You can keep on walking, yeah.
This is
Old Town Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is also a good place for summer holidays in terms of sea, sun and beach. There are several nice beaches around the town one can enjoy. But if you really want to choose one particular beach in Dubrovnik, the most popular and centrally located is the Banije beach. It was just 5 minutes walking distance from our hotel. Dubrovnik is best known by its distinctive old town, all surrounded by the walls. It is a wonderful experience to walk down the walls of Dubrovnik, and it is a must-do thing when visiting Dubrovnik. It offers you the city walls walking tour and also Dubrovnik Game of Thrones tour. The walls were one of Dubrovnik's Game of Thrones filming locations in the old town. We walked along the walls and we definitely enjoyed and had the best time of our trip. Dubrovnik city wall. So this is the Stradun of Dubrovnik.
The main street, right?
It's the main street of Dubrovnik.
Old town.
Old Town Dubrovnik. Streets or Stradun is the most interesting part that you have to see. It is magnificent with all different types of architecture like Renaissance and Gothic. Every alley of the old town has a flight of steep stairs which will take you to a beautiful spot. We took these stairs to reach a point from where we took the cable car and we reached the top of Mount SRD. Right now we are on the cable car and we are heading towards the top of Mount SRD. Mount SRD sharply rises above the old city of Dubrovnik. From the top, we were treated to a stunning 360-degree view that is simply breathtaking, and we spent a beautiful, blissful day soaking in the beauty of the sea. After venturing Mount SRD, it is now time to visit Fort Lovrijenac. It is also known as the St. Lawrence Fortress. We are now heading towards Fort Lovrijenac. It is a stunning fortress located outside the western wall of the old city of Dubrovnik and is instantly recognizable as the Red Keep in King's Landing. The fort makes frequent appearances in season 2 and season 3 of Game of Thrones, and it is almost sunset time when we reach the fortress. When the sun dawns and the stars begin to appear, an entire new ambience is felt throughout the city. The main walkway called Stradun and its surrounding streets and the harbor definitely offer various venues with music and all kinds of restaurants. And this brings us to the end of our memorable trip and our vlog.